Good afternoon, Pottinger's class.
Good afternoon.
Today we finish adding and subtracting decimals.
Yes.
You guys know what decimals are.
Yes.
All right, there are 3 steps for adding and subtracting decimals. Step 1, we do what to our numbers?
Stack.
What are we lining up?
Decimals.
After we have our numbers stacked and our decimals lined up, what do we do if we don't have the same number of digits in our stacked numbers?
Add place value holder.
And then once we have the numbers stacked, the place value holders added, we solve. What's another name for solve?
Evaluate.
Solve and evaluate mean the same thing?
Yes.
All right, so quick example here, 4200s plus 5/10. I'm going to write my first number down. And my second number, I'm going to add my decimal point and then line up the numbers. Yes?
Yes.
What's missing though, or what would have been missing there?
Place value holder.
So do I need to add the place value holder?
Yes.
Notice there is no 0 here, but we can add it in, right?
Yes.
And then you guys know how to do the math there. Same example here, 6.9 minus 4.15. When I lined up my decimal points, I was missing a number. I was missing a number, so I add the place value holder, right? Do you need to show all of your borrowing and carrying and all that fun stuff?
Yes.
How is 62 the same as this? What do we add? Does every single whole number have an invisible decimal point after it?
Yes.
Can you make that decimal point invisible?
Yes.
So for example, this was our problem, 6 minus 1 and 5600ths, right? So when I wrote 6 minus 1.56, I had a decimal being subtracted, but I did not have a decimal up top, did I? I simply added the decimal and my place value holders. Did I change the value of the 6 by doing that?
No.
Does it make the math a little bit easier to do if you can see the numbers there?
Yes.
Is this making sense?
Yes.